What are you going to feed the great white sharks?
Fishies.
Oh, that's good. Okay. What are you going to feed the whale shark?
Probably my precious cookies.
Oh, give him a cookie. Now he'll love that. What
Oh, he likes blue.
He likes blue cookies? Okay. Excellent. Let's see what you got here. Okay, what are you going to feed the jaguar?
A gazelle and a zebra.
Perfect. Give him some gazelles and some zebras. What are you going to feed the loon?
Probably like I think
He likes fish too, I think. Give him some fish.
no, she's a girl.
Oh, she's a girl.
So well, I know loons cannot meet like
Fish?